Those are quite amazing. Oh yeah, scoot it back. It's a little close.
Let's take a picture now, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, scoot it back. Tigger, don't get the frog on the camera. You like frogs?
Yeah.
Now what are you doing with them? They'll get hurt, Zachary. Don't let them jump off the table. Like that. There he goes. There goes the frog. Bye, frog. What are your frogs' names? What are you going to name them? Hippie and Hoppy? No.